Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this Liveet 10-pound weighted vest. This thing is evenly distributed with iron sand, so that is what gives it its 10-pound weight. It's completely adjustable right here with the clip. You can go from 31 to 45 inches for your chest. It feels super comfy as well. This sits up super high so it doesn't get in the way of any of your core motions down here. It also has this nice little mesh pocket right back here, so you can go ahead and store some things in there. But it also comes with this arm strap that has these pockets to put your things in. You can put your phone in this larger one. You could put maybe keys and a wallet inside the smaller one. And it's even got this little slot right here that'll allow you to have your headphones coming out of here. So it gives you an easy way to hold on to your belongings when you don't want those belongings moving around in your shorts. Overall, I highly recommend this weighted vest. Thanks for watching.